In this WordPress AI website builder tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create a WordPress website with AI step by step from start to finish. I'll be showing you how to set up your WordPress website using AI in just minutes, along with showing you how to access professional pre-made WordPress AI website templates created based on your business to make creating your WordPress website with AI an easy process. I'll be going over how to edit a WordPress website with AI using a popular drag and drop editor, Kadence page builder, so you can create a professional looking WordPress website with AI via drag and drop. The great thing about this WordPress AI website builder tutorial is it's extremely easy to follow along with, even if you have no experience in starting and creating a WordPress website using AI. At the end of this video, you will have your website successfully created with AI. The first step I'm going to cover is how to choose and register your own domain name for free. A domain name is the name of your website. For example, the website name for YouTube is youtube.com. Step 2, I'll be going over how to choose a hosting provider. An easy way to think of hosting is it's like the physical storefront of your website. To have a website, you have to have hosting. Step 3 is going over building your site with WordPress and creating your WordPress website using AI and choosing between professional pre-made templates based on your input and building your site using a popular drag and drop editor. Let's get started with the WordPress AI website builder tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create your site is to click the link in the description below to be taken to Bluehost so you can take advantage of our exclusive Bluehost discount. We'll be getting a free domain name and a Bluehost web hosting discount for your website. Make sure you click the link in the description to get this great deal. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. A little about Bluehost. Bluehost powers over 2 million websites worldwide. They are also recommended by WordPress.org since 2005. They provide 24/7 support via chat and phone, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're unhappy, you can cancel and get a refund within the first 30 days. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost page. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be on the Bluehost Plans page. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Pro Plan. The Basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes SSD storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The Online Store plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes SSD storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by WonderCart. Something I want to know is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Pro plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost Online Store plan provides. The Pro plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes SSD storage, 1,000 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, along with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on the plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop-down, where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension your domain name ends in. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says, I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. You'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public whois database as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the dropdown, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You'll get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Professional email is if you want an email address ending in your domain name with a custom inbox, added security for your email, your contacts and calendars to sync, Drive to share files, create and manage tasks, and to create documents from a full suite of tools. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by professional email. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You'll be taken to a thank you for your purchase page while your hosting account is loaded. Once it is done, you'll see your new WordPress site is installing. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click this to be taken to WordPress. You'll now be on the Welcome to WordPress page. You can choose to create your site with the AI Site Creator, Guided Website Setup. You can import a website, and at the bottom, you'll see I'm following a tutorial. Take me to the WordPress dashboard. You can select this one as you'll be following along with me in this tutorial. You'll now be in the WordPress dashboard. Before we start creating our site with AI, I want to cover the Bluehost control panel. I'm here in the Bluehost control panel homepage. In the left side menu, click Websites. If you click Edit Site, it'll take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can begin in creating and editing your website. If you click Settings, you'll see your Bluehost name servers are listed here below in case you need them. Before we start setting up and creating our site with AI, we want to change our domain name to be secure using HTTPS with the free SSL certificate. I'll click Edit Site to be taken to WordPress. I'll hover over Settings in the left side menu. Click General. You'll see WordPress address URL and site address URL. Change these to HTTPS instead of the HTTP. Scroll down and click Save Changes. It'll now log you out of WordPress because we changed the URL to HTTPS. Just log back in. Now I want to show you how to set up and create your site using AI. To start, on the far left, you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes. This is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. Type in Kadence in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it's done activating the theme, you want to click Kadence in the left side menu. Click the Activate AI Starter Templates button. On this page, you'll see the Activate Kadence AI Starter Templates button again. Click this. You'll now be taken to the Kadence WP Login and Register page. This is completely free. You just want to register a new account, input an email address and password you want for your account, and click the Register button. You'll then want to verify your email, and then you'll be directed to this page here where you want to connect your domain and site to your Kadence account. You'll see the Continue Free button. Click this. You'll now be on the Next Level Site Creation with Kadence AI page. Click the Next button to proceed. Next, you want to select your site's language. Under your information, from the drop-down, you want to select a company, an individual, or an organization. I'll choose a company. Next, I'll input my company name. Next, select an input where you are based. You can select from business address, service area, or online only. For this tutorial, I'll choose service area and input a zip code for my service area. Next, you'll be on the What industry are you in? In the search field, type in the industry you are in. I'll type in business for mine. I'll select local business as an example. Once you are done, click the next button. You now be only tell us a little about your business. You want to input everything about your business, what it offers, what makes you stand out, services or products you offer, what actions you want the visitor to take, and more. If you click the Show Tips toggle, it'll help you, providing you with tips on what to include here. You'll see if I start typing, it'll say to add more content if you haven't added enough. I'm going to paste in the description that I've made for this tutorial. You'll see, okay, you've added a lot of information. Try removing some. I'll remove some. You'll now see it says excellent work. You've now added enough information. You can click the Improve with AI button if you'd like to improve what you've written with AI. Once done, click the Next button to proceed. You'll see where you can add keywords related to your business. You can type in a keyword to add it, or you can select from the recommended keywords here. You can add up to 10, and it's recommended to add 5 to 10 keywords to get best results. Next, you'll see Choose Your Tone. From the drop-down, you can select the tone you want your website to have. I'll select Professional for mine for this tutorial. Click the Next button. You'll now see what are your goals of this site. You want to select all that are relevant to your website. You can select multiples as well. You'll see Primary. Under the rest, if you select more than one, you'll see Make Primary. Click this to make this one the primary choice for your site. I'm going to choose I want to display my services and I want to generate leads as an example. Click the Next button. You now see Use Images from AI Search Collection. From the drop-down, you can select from different selections based on categories, or you can choose to use your own images. I'll choose Professional Services for mine. Under the featured images and background images, you'll see Edit Collection underneath. If you click this, you can click the X button to remove an image. Add a caption if you want. If you click the Add to Collection tab, Upload Files is where you can upload an image from your computer. Media Library is where you can choose from photos already uploaded to WordPress. Pexels is where you can browse through images you can use. You can also search for images you want in the search field at the top. To use an image, click the image and click the Download Image button to download and add the image to the collection. To proceed, click the Generate Base Content button. It'll begin generating AI content. This will only take a minute. Once it is done, you'll see a bunch of templates as created that you can choose from for your WordPress site. If you see Pro underneath it, you have to have the Pro version of Kadence to use it. Most of the templates here are free. If you click on a theme, you can then view what it'll look like so you can have an idea. I'll click the Back to Starter template button. For this tutorial, I'll select this theme. Under Colors, you'll see Highlight Color. If you click into this, you can change the colors of your website. You can change the background style along with the background saturation. If you click Fonts, you can change the fonts of your site here. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Next button. You now be on the Select Your Pages. You'll see all the pages it has generated for you based on your business. If you don't want one, just click it to remove the check mark so it's not included. You'll see the Import Example blog post toggle. You can toggle this off if you'd like. I'll keep it on for mine. Click the Next button to proceed. You'll be on the Select Plugins. You can also select any plugins here that you want on your site. I'll keep it as is for mine. Click the Finish and Launch button. Click the Start Import button. It'll begin importing and building your pages along with saving the site styles you chose. It can take just a few minutes for it to finish. Once it is done, you'll be on a success page. Click the See My Site button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. You'll see it's created your entire site with all the content and images. Now let's go over how to make edits to the WordPress theme the AI has created and how to use the drag and drop editor to edit your site in case you want something changed. To make edits to your site, click the Edit page on the top of the page. It'll now bring you to the Kadence block editor where you can create your site quick and easy via drag and drop. You'll see the page title showing here at the top. Just ignore this. This doesn't show on the live site. To make edits to a part of the page, just click where you want to make edits and start making edits. I can change the text here from "Stand out with our innovative marketing solutions" to "My demo business website with AI." If you click the H1 heading found here from the dropdown, you can change the heading type. You can change the alignment of the text here. You can make it bold. If you click the link icon, you can link the text out if you'd like. If you click the arrow drop down, it'll bring up more edits you can make. You'll see over to the right, under Style, you can change the color of the text. You can change the background color. You can change the font size. If you click Advanced Typography Settings, you can change the font if you'd like, along with the font weight. You'll see other style settings you can click into here. Next, let's cover how to change the background image and colors for this top section. If you click into this top section here, over to the right, click Style. Where you see Type, you can choose from Classic, Gradient, Slider, and Video. You'll see the background image showing here. If you click the X button, it'll remove the image. If you click Edit Image, you can then upload an image to use, or if you click Media Library, you can choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. If you click Pexels, you can choose from copyright-free images you can use straight from Pexels. I'll type business in the search field. I'll click the search button. I'll find an image I want to change it to and click it. I'll click the download image button. You can now click the select button. The image is now uploaded. Next, scroll down to the background overlay settings and click it. Where you see overlay type, you'll see the color showing here. You can click here and change the overlay color that is shown in the background image. Where you see overlay opacity, you can drag this over to the left and right to change the opacity of the background image. Next, let's go over editing the button. I'm going to click into the button found here. You'll be able to change the name of the text. You can make the text bold. If you click the link icon, you can link the button out to where you'd like it. If you click the drop down where it says Link Settings, you can have the link open in the same tab window, open in New tab, or via video pop-up. You can have the link be no follow, sponsored, and download. Over to the right, under General, you can make changes to the button like the button size and button width. If you click Style, you can change the text type, color background type, and background color. If you click Hover, you'll see the same settings you can change that happens on the button hover. I'll scroll down and click Icon Settings. Where you see Select Icon, click this. You can select an icon if you'd like to have an icon in the button. You can change a bunch of settings for the icon if you want an icon in the button. If you want to remove this second button here, click into the button. Click the three dots found here. Click Delete and the button will be deleted. I'll scroll down to this section. You can click an area and start making edits. If you want to add something in a section, click the plus icon here at the top. It'll bring up stuff you can drag into the page. You'll see there's a ton of options you can choose. I'll drag in the text option to here. You can begin adding in the text that you want. You can change the heading to what you'd like. I'll change it to paragraph text, and then I can start inputting the text. If you want to move something on the page up or down, just hover over what you want to move and click the up arrow to move it up, or click the down arrow to move it down. To delete something on the page, click into what you want to delete. Click the 3 dots. Click delete and it'll be deleted from the page. If you want to duplicate something on the page, click what you want to duplicate and click the 3 dots. Click duplicate and it'll be duplicated. If you want to change an image already on the site, just click the image. You can click the X button to remove the image and click Edit Image to upload. Select an image uploaded to WordPress or select one from Pexels, just like shown in the top section. You can change the size ratio as well as entering in an alt text used for the image. Next, I'll scroll down to the Our Work section found here. To make changes to the gallery images found here, click into the image. You can click the arrows to move it to the direction you want to. You can remove the image by clicking the X button. If you click Edit Add Gallery Images, you can upload an image from your computer. If you click Add to Gallery, you can choose an image just like shown in the earlier sections. I'll scroll down to this section at the bottom. If you want to change the background color, click into the section here at the top. Click Style over to the right. Next to background color, if you click into the color, you can change the background color to what you'd like. Now let's go over how to add a new section to the page. To add a new section to the page, click the plus icon. You'll see Row. Drag in Row to where you want to add a new section to the page. You'll see the Design Library button. Click this. Next, click Patterns. It'll pull up a bunch of patterns you can add to the page and begin editing. If you see Pro under it, you need the Pro version of Kadence to use it. There's a lot of free options to use. You'll see all the different categories you can select from on the left. Where you see Style at the bottom, you can choose different styles based on colors for the section. I'll select this section as an example. You'll see it's been added to the page where you can begin editing how you'd like it. Whenever you make changes, to save your changes, click the Save button at the top. If you make a change, but you want to see what it looks like on the page without saving it yet, click the View icon at the top. Click Preview in New tab. It'll bring up a preview of the page so you can see what your edits look like. If you click View Page, it'll bring up the view of the page that has the edits live on your site. You can undo and redo changes here. If you click the WordPress icon here in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. Next, I want to cover the contact form for your WordPress website. Click the Save button to save your changes. I'll click the View Page icon at the top. I'll click Contacts in the menu. Click the Edit page. Next, I'll scroll down to where you see the contact form on the page. Click into something in the contact form. Over to the right, under General, you'll see each of the settings with settings after it. Click one you want. Under Field Type, from the drop-down, you can change the field type to what you want. You can make the field a required or not required part to fill out. You can change the field placeholder. You can add a help text if you'd like. Under column width, from the drop-down, you can change the size of the column for that field to what you'd like. If you click the Add Field button, click on the new field it added. Under Label, you can add the field label that shows. You can toggle Show Label on or off based on your needs. If you scroll down to the bottom, if you click Action after Submit, you can choose the action after someone submits the form. If you click Email Settings, you can input the email to address of where you want the notification to go when someone fills out the contact form. You can separate email addresses by a comma if you want to add more than one. You can add the email subject, the from email address, the from name, the reply to. I'll keep mine on email field. You can toggle send as HTML to on or off. If you click basic spam check, you can toggle this on or off. If you click Google reCAPTCHA, you can choose to enable this or not. If you click message settings, you can input the success message that is sent when someone fills out the form. You can input the error message, font size. If you click advanced message font settings, you can change the font used and weight of the font. Next, I'll scroll back up to the top. If you click style, if you click field styles, you can change the style of the field styles. If you click label styles, you can change the style of the label styles. If you click submit styles, you can change the styles of the submit button. If you click hover under button colors, you can change the styles on the button hover. Next, I want to cover a map for your WordPress website. I'll scroll down to where I want to add it on the page. Click the plus icon in the top left. Type in maps. Click Google Maps and drag it into the page where you want it. You'll see the map showing here. Scroll up to the top of the map. You'll see this click here to select block. Click this. Over to the right, you can input the location of your event. You can change the zoom of the map. You can change the map type. You can change the map filter. If you click style, you can change the height and width of the map. Next, I want to go over how to edit the footer and header area of your site. Be sure to click the Save button to save your changes. Next, click the WordPress icon in the top left. You'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click Customize. Scroll down to the footer area of your site. If you click into an area, you can make changes. If you want to add a section to the footer, click the plus icon. You can then select what you want and then it'll be added to the section where you can begin editing. If you want to remove something in the footer, find it here and click the X button to delete it. If you want to edit the social media icons in the footer, click the pencil icon here. You can easily add your social media links, remove any you don't want, or add social media profiles. If you click design, you can make changes like the icon size, colors, and more. If you scroll up to the header area of your site, just click into what you want to edit. If you want to change the look of the header, you can select something here and drag it over to a section to change the look of your header. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, you can change the logo or remove it. You can change the site title and tagline. You can change the site icon here. Click the Publish button to save your changes. The last thing I want to cover in this tutorial is to do a quick overview of WordPress. From the WordPress dashboard, if you hover over the Pages tab, click Add New to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add New at the top, you can then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Post and click Add New, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comment. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New, you can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there's a plugin for that. If you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click on Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You could add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to have sub-menu items show in the menu, just add the items to the menu and place it a bit to the right under the menu name you want it to show under, just like you see here. I'll click Save Menu. I'll now pull up the view of my site, and you now see the sub-menu item showing in the menu under Pages. If you want to change the global color and fonts and buttons of your site, here's how to do this. Click Customize in the top bar. Click Colors and Fonts. Colors is where you can change the colors and color settings of your site. Buttons is where you can change the button colors and settings of your site. Typography is where you can change the font and font settings for your site. You now know how to set up your site using AI and accessing pre-made professional AI templates, how to create a WordPress website with AI, and making edits to it using the drag and drop editor, Kadence Page Builder. That is my WordPress AI website builder tutorial going over how to make a WordPress website using AI step by step. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more website tutorial videos.